Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope this video finds you all very well. I do apologize for my hair today. I obviously do not have it done because today I'm actually going to be showing you guys the new Bellami silk seam extensions. I'm going to be doing like a first impressions try on review kind of video for you guys because you guys know I am obsessed with my extensions. I cannot live without them. They're actually just like my eyelashes. I have to have them on if I'm going out, like point blank period. They are my babies. I love them and I am just obsessed with them. So of course, if you guys are just obsessed with extensions, hair extensions as I am going to be showing you guys these new extensions because I mean these extensions do claim to be better than the original extensions that they have. So if you guys are interested in this kind of video, of course, then just please keep on watching. I have actually been using the original Bellami extensions for about 3 years now, and I have been absolutely obsessed with them. I have no problem honestly using them whatsoever. I feel like extensions in general sometimes do become a little bit uncomfortable just depending how long you've been wearing them throughout the day. I personally feel like at the end of the day, just like my eyelashes, I feel like just ripping them off at the end of the day. So I feel like that is just a very normal thing to experience if you are someone who does wear extensions. But today I do have some new Bellami extensions that just went on sale on their website. I believe they came out like 2 weeks ago, I believe. So here I do have the new Bellami extensions. These are their new silk seam extensions, which do claim to be a little bit more comfortable when you do apply these on into your head, of course, or hair, whatever. And they do claim to be a lot more seamless than the actual original extension, so they are going to become less noticeable when you do apply them onto your hair. I am also going to read you guys the back of the package right here just so you guys can have a little bit of more information with these extensions. So these are the new Bellami silk seam hair extensions featuring InvisiWeft technology. Is a seamless weft that lays flat onto your scalp, making them virtually undetectable. It also says every single strand of hair is fused and locked onto each weft, reducing shedding, entangling, and in turn lengthening the lifespan of your gorgeous locks. They will enhance your natural hair by providing the safest way to add length, volume, texture, and color without causing damage on your own hair. It also says the Bellami silk seam hair extensions are hand processed using high quality protein rich 100% Remy human hair, and then it just gives you instructions on how you are supposed to take care of them, which I really love that because if you are someone who is purchasing extensions for the first time, you really want to know how to really do take care of your extensions because you are going to be investing a lot of money into these extensions. But anyways, yeah, I really do love the packaging of this. I feel like it is so cute. I like this one better actually than the original extensions, how the packaging comes. But other than that, when you do look at the back, it does come with a tester over here, which all of Bellami extensions come with a tester. That way when you do open the package, you are supposed to open the tester first, try it on onto your hair, make sure it matches your hair perfectly, and if it does not match, you can just put it back and ship it back, and they will either refund you or exchange your extensions for a better match for your hair, which I really do love that. So I do have my phone out here only because I did want to also figure out how many colors these new extensions come in and also what are the lengths. So these extensions do come in 6 different lengths, featuring 2 new lengths. So they do come in 16 inches, 18, 20, 22, 24, and 26, which is crazy. And they also have 25 colors in these silk seam extensions, featuring 2 new types of colors. So they do have 4 new rooted colors and then 5 new blends. I did get the silk seam 22 inches. These are in 240 grams, and this is in the shade Ash Blonde number 60. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there we go. That is the ones that I picked up. So now that we have gotten that out of the way, I am going to be opening this package up. I'm just going to go straight into this. So before I do open this, I did just want to show you guys how the original extensions look like, so you guys can have an idea. I will give you guys a close-up, of course. But these are the traditional Bellami extensions. I believe these are also in the 240 grams. This is how the extensions look like. This is the front part of the extension, which is the weft, and then you move on to the other side, and then here are all of the wefts right there. I don't know if it's focusing, but here it goes. Now I am going to be showing you guys the new silk seam extensions, which here is a tester. But I feel like this is gonna match my hair a little bit. Okay, the thing that I really do love about these is that even if it doesn't match, I really love that it's blonde, actually, fully blonde, because when I do add the purple shampoo that I have been using to tone my hair, it's going to make it exactly like my hair color right now. So I really do love that. So even though this does look a little bit yellow than my hair, it's okay because I can tone these and it will be no problem. I am comparing the traditional and the new silk seam extensions, which are these over here, and honestly these just look a little bit more like appealing to me, only because it just looks so smooth and just really flat and like put together. As you guys can see, I'll give you guys a little bit of like a close-up, but do you guys see that? It just looks like, I just feel like, honestly, okay, so here's the thing with extensions. Sometimes it can get a little bit itchy, like especially on the scalp, depending on how the extensions are sewed into the weft. So with the traditional extensions, as you guys can see, they are sewed in right here, and up here you still have a little bit of fabric going on, and then as you guys can see, there's some hair like popping out of these extensions, which might cause your hair to be a little bit itchy. I know that's me for sure sometimes, but the new ones, I feel like the new ones aren't really going to be doing that, because I feel like they just kind of glued it all together, or I don't know what they did, but they just look like it's not going to cause my scalp to be itchy all the time, you know what I mean? So my thoughts automatically for these silk seam extensions, they're definitely really appealing to look at. They look way nicer than the traditional weft extensions from Bellami. They look like they are going to be very comfortable on the scalp. Honestly, it does look like it's going to really lay flat onto your head, and I just love the look of these. I really do. All right, so here are the extensions. They are super thick and beautiful. You guys just look how amazing these look. Oh my god, I love me a new set of extensions. They are just the best thing ever, and just they're so long. Oh my god, I can't even like show you guys fully, but they're so long, so thick, just so beautiful, and just look how neat this looks. It just looks so amazing. So this set does come with 7 wefts. They do come with 3 of the 2 wefts, 4 of the 4 wefts, and then 2 of the 3 weft pieces. I am going to start putting all of this into my hair. Hopefully it is enough, because I do have to use more extensions now that I do have my short hair, so I really hope that they do blend really, really well. Hey guys, so I know this is super awkward, super random for me to just throw in this clip into my video, but I felt like it was really important for me to say that. As you guys know, I do have very short hair, and with that being said, it has become a little bit more difficult for me to blend out extensions. So as you guys saw, I did have one set of the 240 grams, 22 inches with the 7 wefts. Now I feel like if I would have gotten at least one more of those sets, it would have blended out beautifully all throughout my hair. So just keep that in mind if you are someone who has short hair like I do. And I also do have very thin hair, sort of thin hair, so just keep that also in mind if you are someone who has thick hair or thin hair like I do. Now I am going to be applying this onto my hair, of course, but I'm not going to go super in detail on how I do apply my extensions, only because I do already have that video here on my channel if you're interested. I will list it for you guys down below in the description box. But I am just going to be applying these extensions how I normally would with all of my extensions. I am going to probably speed this process up a little bit, but I am going to be applying the 2 weft pieces first, right on top of my head, and then next down below those I'm going to be applying the 3 weft pieces, and then the 4 weft pieces down below that. All right, so I am going to be doing this a little bit differently than I first was going to do it. So on the left side, I am going to be applying the original traditional extensions from Bellami, and then on the right side I'm going to be applying the new silk seam extensions. I really did just do this because I really wanted to see if I actually felt a difference between the two, so just thought I'd explain what is going on here just in case you guys were a little bit confused. All right guys, so don't mind my short hair peeking through because I did just apply 3 on the top here just so I can kind of see the difference between the two. So on the left side here I do have the original extensions, and then on the right side I do have the new silk seam extensions. Now I do have to say I don't have an issue with the original extensions, they feel just fine, but the silk seam extensions definitely do feel a lot more comfortable, okay? They really do. If I was to wear these out in public, people really wouldn't see or tell the difference, to be completely honest with you. They both look amazing. I don't have any issues with that. And as far as like the visibility on both of them, they hide pretty well and blend into my hair really nicely. But like I said, there really is not like a huge drastic difference with them other than like them just being really comfortable, and that's it. Honestly, that's it. All right guys, so that is it. This is how all of the silk seam extensions look on my head right now. As far as like how they do wear, obviously I can't let you guys know right now because this is my first time trying them on, but I will definitely let you guys know how they wear out throughout time, since I think I am going to be wearing these a lot due to the fact that they are really comfortable. But with all of that being said, if you guys are interested in purchasing any Bellami products, I got you. I do have a coupon code with them, which I will list for you guys down here. Make sure you guys use it before checking out. It will get you some money off. But other than that, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful in case you guys are planning on purchasing these extensions. Hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye guys.